everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make anko. Anko is bean jam using azuki beans. There are tsubuan chunky anko and koshian smooth anko, just like peanut butter. The one I'm doing today is tsubuan, the chunky one. Anko is freezable, so whenever I make big portion and make small packs and freeze. But if you don't know if you like it or not, you can do a small portion just to try. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need: azuki beans, sugar, and a little bit of salt. The amount of sugar is from 50% to 100% of the weight of the beans. I normally do 80%, and today I have 700 grams of beans that makes 560 grams of sugar. At first, I'm going to rinse the beans. So here I have bowl and strainer. Put the beans. Put some water. And rub to wash. Drain it and do it one more time. Let's put the beans in pressure cooker. And some water, enough to soak the beans. It's like beans plus 1 inch of water. Turn the heat on and bring it to boil without the lid. When it comes to boil, turn the heat to medium low and keep cooking for 3 minutes. Cooked for 3 minutes, so let's drain. And beans back in the pressure cooker. This cooking and draining process is to remove the harshness of the beans. Add some water. Again, it's beans plus 1 inch of water. But if you're doing smaller portion, like half of this amount, beans plus ½ inch of water. Put the lid on, turn the heat on and bring it to high pressure. Now, the pressure is high. Turn the heat to low, but keep the pressure high and cook for 15 minutes. Cooked for 15 minutes under high pressure. Kill the heat and just naturally release the pressure. Pin went down, that means pressure is released. Take the lid off. And let's see if the beans are completely cooked. Take some beans, and if you can easily squish it with your finger like this, that means it's cooked. Let's add sugar, 1/3 at a time. If you add sugar all at once, the beans will become stiff. It has something to do with osmotic pressure. So 1/3 of the sugar. Mix. To dissolve the sugar completely. Then turn the heat back on. After you add sugar, it's very easy to burn, so keep scraping the bottom of the pot. Now it's boiling, so let's add half of the remaining sugar. Boiling again, so let's add the rest of the sugar. Keep cooking to cook down to your favorite consistency as you constantly mix it. As I said, it's very easy to burn. I cooked it about 10 minutes after sugar is added. Now it's thick and it slowly goes down the spatula. This is my favorite consistency. Add a pinch of salt. Little more. Give it a mix. Kill the heat, cool it down to room temperature, and Anko is done. Here is the bean jam I made earlier today. It's much thicker than right after I turn the heat off, and it's more like a paste. Let's try some with this vanilla ice cream. Some ice cream in the bowl. Bean jam on top. Little bit of matcha powder if you like. And itadakimasu. Today I'm having it with ice cream, but you can have it with bread, pie, cracker, just like how you have strawberry jam. Now I'm going to show you how I keep the bean jam. It can last about a week refrigerated. So I have some in this airtight container for the rest of the week. This goes into the fridge, and the rest of the bean jam goes into the freezer bag. So prepare some freezer bag. And let's put the bean jam, not too much in each bag. Then make it flat so that it can sit nicely in the freezer. Set it halfway. Push out air as much as you can and set it completely. And you can keep them in freezer up to 2 months, so you have plenty of time to enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!